What does it take to keep the lights on? As weather becomes more extreme, more EVs hit the road, and renewable energy replaces coal, how do we keep energy flowing? It takes much more than poles and wires. It takes each of us, a global community of energy users, empowered to make smart energy decisions. It all starts behind the meter, where Bidgely's advanced UtilityAI transforms data about how energy is being used into energy intelligence that makes grids work better. Who's charging an EV? When are appliances running and how are they performing? How much solar energy is being generated and stored? UtilityAI creates personalized insights to help people learn how to conserve, shift their usage, and help supply more clean energy. It also empowers utilities with a household-level view of how energy is flowing on their grids so they can manage the grid home by home and community by community, from the meter up rather than the transformer down, preventing outages and reliably meeting energy demand no matter how much it grows. It all starts behind the meter, with utilities and people empowered to do their part, working together to keep the lights on and build the grid of the future.